Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel and a happy new year. So this is going to be one of my first videos in 2018 and it is my student room tour at my second year of university. So I am living in a student house this year with 4 other people and I've been quite lucky with how big my room is. The furniture and stuff and the placement isn't how I want it, but it's kind of the only way it will fit, so it's not perfect, but I think I quite like what I've done with it, and I just think I'm ready to show you my room tour and yeah, just how I've decorated things on a budget. And let's get into the video. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, maybe leave a comment down below and subscribe if you want to see more from me. I don't have a schedule as such, but I want to get as many videos out there as possible. So yeah, I'll just get on and show you my room. So this is my door. I really like it actually because it's quite old-fashioned and it's just got a hook at the top, so it's pretty basic. I'll start in this corner just to give you like an overview. So my bed. I just got my my curtain closed, so you kind of can't see where I live. I've got 2 of these big wardrobes. Again, I'm not a massive fan of the colour of the door, but obviously you get what you're given. I've got a desk and this chest of drawers, so I'll go round. I have some fairy lights from Primark. They are wintry, but I've decided just to keep them up because I like them. I've yet to get batteries for them. Then on this section here, I have some books that I'm reading or like just out on display currently, and a candle holder. Then on this side I have this little jewellery tray where I keep all of my jewellery, like my Pandora bracelet, my ring, earrings, anything like that, and I've just put these up today. I've got my Alexa. Stop. I don't want her to play anything. You can't say her name without her listening. And then I've got another candle holder, and then if I come back I've just got some wires on the floor which are quite ugly, but you know, can't help it when I've only got one plug. I've got my bin and then these dresses. So I'll show you the top one. This is all like my beauty stuff at the moment. So I've got some nail varnishes down here, body scrubs, some of the mitts. I've got loads of body creams and things at the moment, you know, for Christmas when you get all the gift sets. I've got so many. And then like spare toothbrush, deodorant, just things like that. So this is kind of like my drawer. Then I've got like underwear, jeans and leggings, pyjamas, and then just bags like for when I go home and things like that. So yeah, I've just got this little station here. It's a little bit boring, but I can't really put anything on the walls. So coming around, I've got my first wardrobe, and I can't actually reach this one, the top one. It's really high. I'll just come up here, I'll show you. So that's how like they're really high, and I'm 5'7", so it's hard to reach. But yeah, I'll just show you what's in here. So I chose to put my coats and bags. I did get some of the hooks to put them on the wall, but they kept falling off, so I just had to kind of put all my bags on coat hangers, and then I've got coats and scarves. Then at the bottom it's looking a bit of a mess. I've got my laundry basket and then my everyday bag that I take to work in uni. I've got a reusable shopping bag. My printer is down there somewhere, just at the bottom, and then I've got my Air as well. I kind of just use this as extra storage, to be honest. Then from this corner, so you've got my door there, I've got my double bed, which is actually 2 singles pushed together. They're not the comfiest, and I've kind of just got a throw, my blankets, got pillows, and then Hey Hey from Moana. My Kindle on my phone's just there. And then above it I've got some lights, which I did get for Christmas, but you know, I kind of like fairy lights anyway, so I'm keeping them up. And then this really cute photo wall with just some pictures of me and my friends, memories, and then me and my boyfriend mostly. Then I've got a little side table over there in the corner, and then some ugly curtains. And if you come back down here, I've just got my desk area. Got all these drawers, which I'll show you in. Got my skincare, and then since Christmas passed, I got a lot of face masks. So I've got my own face mask drawer now, which I'm pretty impressed with. I think I have a little problem though. And then at the bottom one, I've got my hair care products and my hair dryer and straighteners, just because I don't really do much with my hair, so it doesn't take a lot, so I've just put them in there. I've got a really creaky chair, which I've just put this rug over, and then my mermaid blanket to try and make it look pretty. So down here I've got some candles, and I just keep my camera equipment at the back. Just because I don't really know what to do with this space, it's kind of really awkward. Then I've got my makeup collection with some palettes on top. So I've got like both the Anastasia's, just bigger palettes, and then down here I've got all my smaller palettes, so like the naked ones. Up here I've got lots and lots and lots of setting sprays, and then things that don't fit in my drawers like my primer, my Elizabeth Arden, my makeup sponge which is looking quite grubby. Just things that don't fit in here. I have done a makeup collection if you want to go and watch that. Behind here I've got body sprays and some perfume samples, and then I've got my high-end kind of lipsticks that I go for every single day. I might do like a Tarte lipstick collection from these holiday ones because they're just, that's not going to focus, but how pretty is the packaging. Then I've got one of the like sensory spray things that just makes my room smell really nice. I've got one of these Polaroid holders that I've just bought. I'm going to change the picture in it, but I just thought that was really pretty. Got a mirror myself. I've got some of these pocket bags just because I didn't exactly know where to put them. So I've filled my chip mug with them, and then these ones, they're just the ones from Bath and Body Works. My mum actually got me them while she was away in November, so they're all like Christmassy. I've got an origami rhino that my boyfriend made me, and I just think it's really cute, so I keep him there. I've got Chip and Mrs. Potts because I'm a massive Disney fan, and I just thought they were really cute just to store things in, and a money box. I've got this massive peg thing that I bought with some pictures on, and then this is just kind of like an overview of my room, of my desk, sorry. Then down here I've got a large pot for makeup brushes, small one for eyeshadow brushes, and then this one for kind of a mix of my everyday ones that I reach for. And then this little hot pot full of lip balms because boy do I need them. It's got some Tsum Tsums there. My main collection is at home, but these are just a few recently that I've bought. And then my cup of tea with my Marie mug from the Disney store with the little cats on. I absolutely love that. And my laptop, which did have stickers on that were like Disney princesses, but they're rubbish and they've all faded off. So yeah, that's how that's going. Down here I've got some more drawers. So in this one I keep my powder because it goes everywhere if you put it on its side. I've got hair bubbles, hair grips, cotton pads, baby wipes, my purse, my keys, I just keep those there. And then lots of perfumes. I've got my Jo Malone ones. I've got Psy by Giorgio Armani, or C, however you say it. I've got Ralph Lauren, Prada Candy, my Charlotte Tilbury foundation. That's just what I keep in that. It's kind of like miscellaneous stuff. Then in here, this is like my actual uni section, which isn't a lot. So in here I keep all my folders, my HP laptop, which I kept because sometimes you need it for work. It's just easier to work on than a Mac. I've got my mirror just because I'm a bit weird about the sunlight reflecting on it and stuff like that, so I keep it in here. At the back I've got like pens, stationery, it's just everything really. I've got a diary. But yeah, that's kind of like my only uni drawer. You wouldn't tell that I was a student because I have nothing on display. Then coming over to this one, so in the top there I just keep my suitcases, again I can't reach it, and then all my clothes, which I need to massively sort out. I have way too many. I think when I arrived at uni I had like this many coat hangers used, and I've filled all these as well, so I need to go through that. But yeah, at the bottom I keep my little suitcase for weekends away and going home, just because it's easier to grab and I don't have to climb up and open that one. I've got some new bedding that I bought down here, all my trainers, some boots and things like that. Then on here, this is all of the chocolate that I got for Christmas. So I've got like 2 massive boxes of Thorntons. I've got a hotel chocolate, and then I've got some like wreaths and things like that, and then all of this is full of like Ferrero Rocher and like little chocolates that I've taken out of the packet. Oh, I'm going to be eating chocolate for years. So yeah, that is in there. So then if you just do a little overview. So down here I've got my bedside table. Sorry, I've just changed the lighting so the curtains aren't open. I've got my light, which was just a cheapy one from Wilko's. I've got a fan because I find it really hard to sleep when people are talking and stuff in this house, like you can hear people. And not as a bad thing, I just find it so hard to sleep, so I use that on like the smallest setting, and it's great for if it's too warm. Got a glass of water because it's essential, and then I've got my new charging pad, which is, oh, it's changed my life. There's no more like fumbling around trying to find the end. So in this drawer I've just kind of got like cables, I've got candle, my Instax printer, my DS, and some lip balms, just like essentials really. Then in this one I've got tissues, little bits of candles, and then in here it's kind of like stuff that I need to keep, but I don't know where to put it, like my travel pass, I've got my coin purse, just random things really, like spare keys. And then at the bottom, don't even get me started, that's like just wires. So yeah, and then another cable unit down there. So yeah, that is my room tour for second year. I'm quite nosy and quite like seeing what people decorate their rooms like, especially when you get given furniture, and obviously you don't want to be buying stuff yourself because it's kind of like temporary, like 1 year. And I think I've been quite lucky this year. I really like my room, I like how it's laid out, and I think I made it feel quite homely. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.